Why did you apply to be a Welsh Youth Parliament member?
Because I'm disabled and autistic. I always saw the injustice and challenges we face, and I knew I wanted to do something positive about it and do a positive change for disabled people. I saw that there was not enough families and people's lived experience taken seriously. So yeah, I wanted to change that for everyone and be a positive representation, so disabled people could see me and think that if she can do it, then I can do it, sort of thing.
What was it like being a member of the Welsh Youth Parliament?
I think it was amazing. I saw things and I had experienced things that I never would have dreamed of. And all the support from the Youth Parliament team and the Learning Disability team was amazing. I met amazing people and made friends and memories that last a lifetime.
What was the best part of being in the Welsh Youth Parliament?
Oh, that's so difficult. There's so many things, but I probably would say my 92nd statement I did for disabled people about them being in mental health hospitals. But I also met King Charles, which was amazing. I've been interviewed by ITV News about autism and disability. I also got to give evidence with the CEO, Zoe, of Learning Disability Wales, about disabled people in education, meeting Mark Drake for the Welsh Youth Parliament residential. There's so many different things, so it's hard to name one, but yeah, the 92nd statement was probably the one I was most proud of.
What advice would you give to any young disabled person thinking about becoming a member of the next Welsh Youth Parliament?
That you want to make a difference, you want to make a contribution and a difference, whether it's big or small, and always be yourself, have fun, and try and learn from other members, because sometimes they can help broaden your knowledge or understanding. And don't be afraid to speak on things you're passionate about. Don't let people dim your light. You have every right to have your voice heard like everybody else. And be brave and take the leap. But the most important thing is you make so many friends and memories, and you will leave there more confident and comfortable with who you are as a person. And when I was 17, that's when I first put my application in. I didn't know anybody, I didn't know what I was doing. I just sent my application in and I was scared of saying the wrong thing, scared of speaking up. I didn't even know if I belonged there. But then as soon as I went there, I realised I did, and I could have my voice heard, and I wanted to make a change. So I spoke up and was passionate about things, and I wasn't afraid to say the wrong thing anymore once I actually joined. And my socialisation skills improved and grown, and I learned so many skills like debating, public speaking, and it really helped me making friends, broaden my horizon. So I did want to thank the Youth Parliament team and the Learning Disability Wales team for all he did for me and helping me to become more confident in myself as a young woman and allowing me to flourish. It changed my life for the better, and yeah, it's just been an amazing experience, so thank you.